Winter's fury, snowstorm paralyzes central U.S. A monster snowstorm barrels through America's heartland, and its wrath is far from over. Ferocious winds and blinding snow have gripped Kansas, Missouri, and beyond, halting travel and blanketing cities under 14 inches of snow. As flights were grounded and highways shut, 63 million people faced life-threatening winter alerts. This is no ordinary storm. It's the biggest snow event in a decade. The polar vortex's icy grip stretches south, pushing temperatures 7 to 14 degrees below normal. Frozen chaos reigns across the Ohio Valley and Northeast, with roads turned into ice traps as far south as Florida. Even snowplows can't keep up. Flights were canceled en masse in St. Louis and Kansas City, while Amtrak trains screeched to a halt. Commuters grappled with nearly invisible highways and snow that overtakes plowed paths within minutes. Prepare for worsening conditions. Like, share, and follow for crucial updates and safety tips. Your life may rely on staying informed.